Today we're diving into the incredible world of baking soda water. Yup, that humble box of baking soda in your pantry is a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. We've got 21 amazing reasons why you should consider incorporating baking soda water into your routine. So grab a glass of water and let's get started. Benefit number 1, relieves heartburn and indigestion. Baking soda is a natural antacid. When you experience heartburn, it's because of excess stomach acid. Baking soda neutralizes this acid, providing quick relief. It's like having a personal fire extinguisher for your stomach. Just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and sip it slowly for instant relief. Remember, though, don't overdo it. Too much can lead to its own set of problems. Benefit number 2, supports kidney health. Studies suggest that baking soda can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. By helping to maintain a healthy pH balance in the bloodstream, it reduces the workload on the kidneys. This means your kidneys don't have to work as hard to remove acids from the blood, which can be a real benefit if they're already under stress. Benefit number 3, improves exercise performance. Did you know that baking soda can act as a performance enhancer? During high-intensity exercise, lactic acid builds up in muscles, leading to fatigue. Baking soda acts as a buffer, delaying this buildup and allowing you to push harder and longer. It's a trick often used by athletes. Try drinking baking soda water about an hour before your workout for a potential boost. But start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. Benefit number 4, alleviates stomach ulcers. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a base. When you mix it with water and drink it, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach. This reaction neutralizes the excess acid, forming salt and water, which can help to alleviate the burning sensation and discomfort associated with ulcers. By neutralizing stomach acid, baking soda helps to reduce irritation and create a more hospitable environment for the stomach lining to heal. It provides a temporary buffer that can protect the ulcerated areas from further acid damage, giving your body a chance to repair itself. Benefit number 5, promotes oral health. Baking soda water can freshen your breath and act as a natural mouthwash. It neutralizes acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Plus, it helps combat bacteria that cause bad breath. Just swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds and spit it out. Benefit number 6, balances pH levels. Maintaining a proper pH balance in the body is crucial for overall health. Many of our diets are highly acidic, which can lead to various health issues. Baking soda helps alkalize the body, creating a more balanced internal environment. Benefit number 7, reduces gas and bloating. Baking soda neutralizes stomach acids, which can help relieve gas and bloating. This is especially helpful after a big meal or if you have digestive issues. It acts quickly to reduce discomfort. Additionally, by neutralizing the stomach acid, baking soda helps to reduce the overall acidity in the digestive tract. This can prevent the formation of gas that contributes to bloating and discomfort. It also helps to relax the stomach muscles, allowing trapped gas to pass more easily. Benefit number 8, improves skin health. When your body's pH levels are balanced, it functions more efficiently. An acidic body environment can lead to inflammation and various skin issues. By drinking baking soda water, you help create a more alkaline state, reducing inflammation and promoting healthier skin. Additionally, baking soda helps detoxify your body. When your liver and kidneys are working efficiently to remove toxins, those toxins are less likely to be expelled through your skin, which can reduce breakouts and improve overall skin clarity. By drinking baking soda water, you help to neutralize this acidity, reducing the burden on these vital organs. This means they can function more efficiently, processing and removing toxins more effectively. A balanced pH level also supports overall cellular health, making it easier for your cells to perform their detoxification roles. Benefit number 9, reduces stress. An alkaline environment helps reduce the negative effects of stress on the body. When your body is less acidic, it functions better, which can lead to a calmer state of mind. It's like giving your body a little break from the constant hustle and bustle. Benefit number 10, detoxifies the body. Baking soda aids in removing toxins from the body, supporting liver function and overall detoxification. This helps your liver, the body's natural detox machine, work more efficiently. Benefit number 11, eases joint pain. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce joint pain and discomfort. By reducing acidity in the body, it helps lower inflammation, which is a key contributor to joint pain. Benefit number 12, enhances sleep quality. Drinking baking soda water before bed can help calm the body and improve sleep quality. A balanced pH level means less stress and a more relaxed body, perfect for a good night's sleep. Benefit number 13, boosts immune system. An alkaline body is better equipped to fight off infections and illnesses. Baking soda water helps maintain that alkalinity, making it harder for viruses and bacteria to thrive. Benefit number 14, aids in digestion. Digestion is a complex process that involves breaking down food into nutrients that your body can absorb and use. Sometimes our digestive system can become unbalanced, leading to issues like indigestion, acid reflux, and heartburn. Baking soda can help with these issues by neutralizing excess stomach acid. This means your body can get the most out of the food you eat, keeping you healthy and energized. Benefit number 15, increases energy levels. By reducing acid buildup in the body, baking soda water can help increase your energy levels. When your body is less acidic, it works more efficiently, giving you more energy to tackle your day. Benefit number 16, supports weight loss. Baking soda water can improve digestion and boost metabolism, aiding in weight loss efforts. It helps break down fats and makes it easier for your body to process them. Benefit number 17, regulates blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that baking soda can help manage blood sugar levels, supporting overall metabolic health. By balancing pH levels, it helps your body manage glucose more effectively. Benefit number 18, improves heart health. By helping to balance pH levels and reducing inflammation, baking soda water can support cardiovascular health. A less acidic body means less stress on your heart and blood vessels. Benefit number 19, supports respiratory health. Baking soda water can help clear mucus from the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. It's especially helpful during a cold or respiratory infection. Benefit number 20, enhances mental clarity. An alkaline body is better able to function optimally, which can lead to improved mental clarity and focus. When your body is balanced, your mind is clear, making it easier to think and concentrate. Benefit number 21, urinary tract infection. Baking soda is said to neutralize the acid in the urine, which allegedly reduces symptoms of a UTI and allows the body to fight the bacteria causing the infection. People who support this remedy also claim that baking soda can stop the infection from spreading to the kidneys. To use baking soda as a treatment for a UTI, it's recommended that you dissolve 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it on an empty stomach. And there you have it, 21 fantastic health benefits of baking soda water. Remember, it's important to use baking soda in moderation. Too much can disrupt the body's natural balance, so stick to about 1/2 teaspoon in a glass of water a few times a week. Quick disclaimer, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. So cheers to better health with baking soda water. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and let us know if you've tried baking soda water and how it worked for you. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 24 health benefits of drinking baking soda and water.